Moving on to the other big story that we're getting at this moment, in which Aam Aadmi Party MLA Alka Lamba crosses all limits of Netagiri. Now, there was a blaze which was reported in the capital. At least 40 shops were gutted in this blaze. But this is what Alka Lamba did. At Chandni Chowk, when the fire brigades were called in, at least 30 such fire brigades were called in because of the widespread fire. She came at the spot, climbed on a fire tender and refused to mount down from the rescue crane. She disrupted not only the rescue operations but also wasted crucial time of the officials who were present on the ground, the rescue officers, because she entered in an argument for about an hour. They were trying to ask her to come down while she was busy sitting at this fire tender, and she was busy giving directions when rescue officers were trying to do their job, and also busy on her mobile phone. You'll get that visual in just a bit on your screens as well, that she is busy texting on her mobile phone. A Netagiri which doesn't have any limits. It's beyond excusable what Alka Lamba has done. No word coming in from the leader till now. Some reactions.
आग की जो है सूचना तकरीबन 21:35 की कॉल है ये, और जिसमें कि कपड़ों की दुकानों के अंदर जो है आग की सूचना मिली थी, और मौके के आधार पे गाड़ियां जो है इसमें भेजी गई और अधिकारियों ने आकर के इसको अपग्रेड करते गए।
2.5 घंटे बाद गाड़ी आई है, कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है, यहाँ नारेबाजी चल रही है। अरे कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है, सर भाई की सर होती है, अरे तो है ना सर होता है, पूछी तो नहीं अलका लंबा की वजह से फायर ब्रिगेड का कोई काम नहीं हो पा रहा है। उनको आग नहीं बुझाने दे रही है, और आप देख सकते हैं कि स्टेयर केस पे चढ़ करके वो मतलब है अपनी नेतागिरी से बना रहे हैं। 60-70 यहाँ दुकानें हैं और सैकड़ों करोड़ रुपए का यहाँ नुकसान हुआ होगा कम से कम।
गलियाँ इतनी छोटी छोटी हैं कि यहाँ पे आग बुझाना बिल्कुल भी पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता, फिर भी यहाँ दुकानें बना दी गई हैं।
Wasting crucial time and at least in this particular operation, no casualty reported till now. Perhaps a lesson for our netas to learn that when there is crucial emergency time, Netagiri can wait.